Hello everyone, I am Deborah and welcome back to my channel and to another segment of Get Well With Me Healthy Skin. And today I am going to be sharing with you another skin treatment regimen to promote healthy, clean, glowing skin. And that is with facial steaming. And today's featured product is the NANO steamer. But before I get into the use of this, let me just share with you the benefits of facial steaming. Steaming is good because it opens the pores to help rid your skin of dirt, oil, and impurities. It softens blackheads to make them easier to remove, and it improves circulation. Now guys, although all of these are benefits, please do know too much steaming can cause damage because of inflammation and irritation. Just like with the PMD microdermal system that I featured about a month or so ago, too much of a good thing is bad. So having said that, 1 to 2 times per week maximum is what is recommended for facial steaming. I also have to share with you guys that when I was growing up, I used to routinely do facial steaming, especially when I was a teenager, but kind of fell off of that too. But what I used to do back then was I would boil some water, put that hot water into a heat-proof container, drape a towel over my head, and that was my facial steamer. So guys, in an effort to save the coins, please do. That's all you need to do. And an extra benefit to that is you can also add some essential oils, which I didn't do back then, but add some essential oil and you will have yourself a facial spa treatment. But I did splurge and I did get this, again, this NANO facial steamer system. I have not yet used it, so today guys, we are going to be using it for the first time, and I am super excited about it so that we can see how much benefit we get out of it and see if we can get that glow on the skin. So before we get into the actual use of this machine, I'm gonna give you guys a close-up to let you guys see what my skin looks like before we actually use this steamer. Now guys, okay, I love y'all because I got up out of bed, I did not wash this face. All I did though is I moved the crusties off the eye. Don't want to scare you guys away, but I have not done anything to this skin, again, so that we can all see together the full benefit of this particular machine and the steaming. So let me give you guys a close-up. This is what the skin is looking like. And my objective is obviously to get really clean pores and also to help with this these pimples that I have on this side of my face, along with the hyperpigmentation. Because again, once you clear your skin of any impurities and you open those pores up, then you have presented a good platform to which the products that you're going to use will actually penetrate and do the things that they were designed to do. So that is what the objective is today. All right, so let's go ahead and get into showing you guys this machine. Now this is not an unboxing, but I just want to show this to you really quickly and we're going to get right into steaming. So this is what it looks like. And I have to say the reason why I chose this particular steamer over the other ones that are in this price point is because this is a 3-in-1. It is a facial steamer, it is a humidifier, and it is a towel warmer. And the towel warmer is what actually sold me on it. Super excited about that too. So you can take a towel, roll it up, put it into this chamber right here at the bottom, steam it, and now you have a hot towel so that you can apply that to your skin as well. All right, so again, let's go ahead and get into the use of this. So this is the water tank. And oh, another thing, you have to use distilled water. They were very specific about that. Do not use tap water, bottled water, anything with minerals in it. It has to be distilled, mineral-free water. And I guess the reason being is because if you don't, the minerals in the water can actually clog whatever mechanism are in this machine, cause damage, and it will blow it out. So went and bought some distilled water. I think it's about $1. Okay. And it also comes with its own little measuring cup, and it's about a ½ cup. back into the little water reservoir, which is right there. And at that point, it's supposed to be ready other than plugging it in. And I think about 20 seconds after that, it will be ready to go and it will start steaming. One other thing that I forgot to share with you guys too is before we get into the actual steaming, we need to gently cleanse our skin, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I am going to go ahead and cleanse my skin, again, to remove any surface dirt, any makeup, anything like that, because again, the steam is going to open up these pores, and the last thing that you want to do is to allow any dirt, impurities, makeup, stuff like that to seep back into those open pores. So gently cleanse the skin, and today I'm going to be using this. Okay, it is a Pond's cleansing balm. So let me go ahead and get that done, and I will be right back with you guys. Okay guys, I am back from gently washing my face, patting it dry, and we are going to get ready to get into this steaming. And before I do that though, what I want to do is I also want to share with you guys everything else that you're going to need for this entire process, because after you steam your face, then you're going to rinse it again, and then you're going to put a mask to pull out the rest of the impurities that are in those pores. Then you're going to rinse it off, and then you're going to follow up with one of your favorite moisturizers. So today what I am going to use is, for my mask, this is the Olay Glow Boost White Charcoal Clay Stick, and that's what that looks like. And the reason why I love this is because it's a roller, okay? You don't need any brush, you don't need your fingers, anything like that, mess free. So I like that. And then as far as my moisturizer, I have a DIY, and this DIY consists of aloe vera juice and some honey. So after I go through all of that, rinse off this clay mask, I am going to be applying this to my face, and I am planning on staying in all day and YouTubing, so I'm going to put this on my skin and leave it on for the entire day, and that helps boost a healthy glow and also collagen. So super excited about that. And also, you need a towel if you intend on draping this over your face and your head, just so the steam can focus and concentrate on your skin. You're gonna need a towel as well. And for me, okay, because this is gonna be a super spa-like treatment for me, I also have my super greens. So I am also going to indulge in this as well. And good, this is good as well because it's water and you want to keep yourself hydrated. So that will work out as well. And I think, guys, that is about it. So let's go ahead and plug this up and see what this thing has to offer. And then we turn the switch to the facial steamer. Because again, this is a 3-in-1. It's got the warm towel, it's got the facial steamer, and it's got the humidifier. Okay, and the blue light came on, and it's pointed to facial steamer. And I think according to the instructions, in about 20 seconds, I should see some steam coming out of this thing. So let's see. And then it also says to put it about, I guess about 10 inches or so away from you. Because obviously if it's too close, then you don't want to burn your skin, cause irritation and inflammation. So we are still waiting. Okay guys, that was about 10 minutes of steaming. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off, and let me give you a close-up of my skin. So that's what it's looking like. Pores are open, feels really good. That was really, really nice. That is just like a spa treatment, I tell you. Oh, wonderful. So I'm gonna go and rinse the skin off to get off any top layer of dirt and impurities that came out because the pores are open. And then I'm gonna follow up with my clay mask. I'll be right back with you guys. All right guys, it is time to apply this facial mask. And again, this is from Olay Glow Boost White Charcoal Clay Stick. So let's go ahead and take this cap off. A little twist at the bottom. And this gently. Smooth it on the skin in an upward motion. Okay. Okay, everyone, it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off my skin. And when I come back, I'm gonna apply the moisturizer, and we will be in the final phases of this facial spa day. And I have to tell you guys, before I even rinse this off, my skin is feeling absolutely amazing. So give me a few minutes, I'll be right back with you. Okay, everyone, the clay mask is rinsed off, and this is what my skin is looking like before I apply any moisturizer. And again, it feels absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh. I don't know what took me so long to go back to steaming, but I will continue to do this routinely because, wow, it's like the pores are awakened and alive. That's what it feels like. So good. Okay. One other thing that I want to share with you guys too, before I put my DIY moisturizer on, is this kit also came with a 5-piece skin kit to help remove the blackheads and pimples, etc. Proceed at your own risk, guys. Yeah, I mean, that's a nice idea. This is something that beauticians and estheticians would use. I am not going to be using this because I do not know what I am doing. So like I said, it's a nice idea. It's cute and all. Look at that. It looks really good. Okay, stainless steel implements, but I am going to zip this back up and put this away because I don't know what I'm doing and I do not want to damage my skin. So, but I needed to share that with you guys because this did in fact come with the NANO steamer as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into putting on this moisturizer. And again, because I plan on staying in all day, this particular one is honey and aloe vera as some essential oils. And the reason why I don't typically wear this out is because for me, the honey is a little bit sticky. So, but it's absolutely amazing as far as a moisturizer and boosting the collagen production. So go ahead, put a little here, forehead and chin, and I will pat this into my skin. And guys, this is the results of my facial steamer with clay mask, followed up with my DIY, and things are looking amazing. All right, guys, I definitely recommend this particular machine. Love it. It felt really good. It was like a a spa pan per day, but you are doing it at home, you're doing it yourself. And again, if you want to save your coins, just like I want to save my coins, and because of COVID and everything else going on, things are just not as accessible as they used to be. We still can take care of ourselves and we can do it well, okay? So go ahead, take a look at this, invest in it if you choose to. I definitely recommend it. One thing that I will tell you guys though is that when I was steaming my face, I found that because of the position of this nozzle, as compared to it sitting on my counter in the kitchen and the stool that I'm sitting on, me sitting down, I did not get the benefit of the steam. I had to stand up, okay? And the projection of the steam with me standing up was perfect. So I just wanted to bring that to you guys' attention as well, okay? Depending upon where you have yourself situated as compared to this particular machine, you may either have to stand or sit, may be fine, okay? But again, guys, look at the skin, absolutely impressed. It feels amazing. Now I can get on with the rest of my day also too. Okay, I got my water in. This was 32 ounces of water. Okay, got that in as I was steaming. Got a nice fragrant candle in the backdrop. Like I said, just make your day special. This is what this is all about. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you did in fact enjoy this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please do share. And if you're not a part of my YouTube family, I would love to have you join me. And guys, remember to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, and keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say Too. Thanks again.